Vaccine is here in central Indiana, and today frontline healthcare workers started receiving their first dose of Pfizer's vaccine. Our Alyssa Donovan is live at IU Health's Neuroscience Center downtown, the site of one of the first vaccination clinics in the state. And Alyssa, this was a very emotional day for these workers.
That's right, Mark. Not only for those frontline workers receiving the vaccine, but also for those administering it. One worker I spoke to today says this is the first time in months that she's felt a feeling of hope coming into work today. Now, this clinic is still open at this hour. By the end of today, 192 frontline workers will have received their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine.
I'm ready to rock and roll this bad boy.
EMT Perry Rogowski, one of the first frontline workers to receive the Pfizer vaccine at IU Health's vaccination clinic.
I think that as healthcare providers, we have an obligation to kind of lead the way.
Her joy and excitement,
Can you see me smiling?
echoed by many in the room today, including those administering the vaccine.
It's the first day I feel like I've came into work where we might start to win this battle.
Infection prevention nurse Carrie Kubler has been responsible for calling the State Board of Health to report COVID-19 deaths from Methodist and university hospitals, reporting more deaths so far this month than at the beginning of the pandemic back in April.
Having to call those in daily is just a very sad thing. So to be able, just the feeling of giving that first injection today and feeling like our director has described it as the first volley for a big win, just felt really good.
It's nice to know that there's going to be a little bit more protection for us that are working, so that's helpful.
The people who received a vaccine today scheduled their next appointment immediately on their way out. Each of them will have to return in 21 days to receive their second dose to ensure immunity.
I am thrilled to get this. I really am.
And IU Health will be receiving another 975 doses tomorrow for this clinic, and we'll also be receiving another 3,000 doses on Monday for this clinic as well. And all of those healthcare workers I talked to today shared the same sentiment, some of them saying that they feel like this is the beginning of the end of COVID-19. Reporting live, I'm Alyssa Donovan, WRTV.